ukusuka kwethu lapho masiyazi ukuthi sosebenzisa ama forwards the way siwasebenzise ngakhona uLangelihle Phili uvele by and then uBatman as well as Odigaro. Odigaro is very physical. Now, that defense at Sundowns, he can shake it. I would still choose Odigaro. Odigaro. Igodaro. I would still say that Igodaro. Igodaro siyamnida kula game Sundowns because of Igodaro physical and that defense at Sundowns siyayibona ukuthi iweaknyana. So Sundowns ayikho clinical a move, especially a move. Yes, they can score, but they are not clinical in the back. So anything is possible, so if ever they will play the same way. But it's sad for us at some point because of now mabefika ukuthi bazofika sebefixile lama mistake wabo, but sizobona bazofuna ukufixa ama mistake wabo ngathi. However nathi I believe ukuthi siyakhula from our mistakes, siyawalungisa wethu ama mistakes. So if ever they think that they will show their mistake ngathi Sundowns, nathi bayazi ukuthi sesiwalungisile wethu ama mistakes, siwabonile sawa rectifier. Now masesiya siwina ku Sundowns because of Sundowns are not defense, weak defense yabo.
Okay.